Joseph in Aurora, Illinois. Hi there, Joseph.
Hello, Kim. Glad to talk to you.
Thank you.
It's I've listened to you for a while and read for you for a while, so it's nice to talk to you in person.
I know. I was wondering how come you never called me. I was sitting
She
here.
mentions it every single show.
I do. I say, you know what? Where's Joe? Where is he?
I'm here.
Okay, how come you haven't called me? You don't send me birthday presents? Nothing.
You're in trouble. You're in the doghouse, Joseph. Okay. Your first call here, and you're in the doghouse.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll get you out of the doghouse. What's on your mind?
Okay, my problem is the Google has decided they wanted to discontinue the Nest thermostat I have.
Yes.
And that, a long time ago, I went with Nest because I thought they were a great company. Google took them over, and maybe not so much anymore.
Well, how long have you had that thermostat?
Oh, probably about 10 years.
Yeah. And so what they're doing is they're discontinuing that because they don't want to have to they don't want to have any more updates. And I know that other things in our lives don't work that way, like such as, say, cars. They last a long time. Okay. That polyester suit that Andrew wears on Saturday nights.
Still looks good.
And so, but Google's saying that's it. Okay. So how many thermostats do you have?
I have two.
Okay. And I think they're going to discontinue them coming in October, by the way. So you have some time.
Yeah. My problem also, though, is I have a doorbell that doesn't seem to want to work after below 32 degrees. So that's kind of...
That's tough in Illinois.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's kind of tough. It's tough at Halloween, And then I'm hearing rumors that Google's not going to support their current smoke detectors. That is, they're going to sell what stock they have and then go to partner with somebody else.
This is the first Nest superfan I've ever met in my entire life. You have everything.
How many? Do you have the Nest devices?
No, I have Ecobee.
Oh, yes. Okay, I have a few Nest cams laying around from.
Well, of course you do. You have 900 connections. You have one of each.
God, you're so mean to me.
So in any case, it seems like they're trying to get, trying to do the best to get out of the business. But in any case, should I stick with Google or is there something better? I like to stay within the families.
Yeah, for sure. So
I don't have to have more than one app and all that sort of stuff.
I don't think that Google's getting out of the Nest business. I mean, they are investing a lot of money into it. I mean, God knows they need to get out of the search business, so that's a whole nother story.
Yeah, right.
I mean, that is just a big cluster. Anytime you look anything up on Google, I was looking at the screen the other day, I'm like, I don't even know where to look. I mean, it's like AI overview, ads on the side, sponsored posts. I mean, they're doing anything they can to make a buck because they're just, they're in a bad spot, obviously. But do you like the Nest setup?
I did.
Okay. I mean...
But maybe not so much. The doorbell doesn't work so well, so I'm thinking of a new doorbell. I've got new internet service, so I can actually use cameras now outside.
Okay.
I couldn't before, so I'm looking for, bigger solutions. So
are you, do you like Amazon Alexa? Are you an Apple person?
I have that. I have Amazon Alexa.
Okay. And it's hard to say if they're going to keep that going.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
Because they're already starting to charge a monthly fee.
Yeah, they're charging a monthly fee. And then they've already publicly stated that they've lost, I think, $100 million, some crazy amount on the Amazon speakers.
Chump change.
Exactly.
Well, they don't charge anything for it, so what the heck, yeah.
Well, what they were hoping is that they would sell all these speakers for cheap so that this way we would all run to our speakers and say, Alexa, send me more diapers or send me more supplements. And then as it turns out, the only ones that were using were the kids who were ordering toys.
And all that stuff was getting returned.
Yes, exactly. So, I guess what I'm saying is any platform that you go with, there is built-in obsolescence. Okay. It's called the end of life. As a matter of fact, do you get my newsletter?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Sunday's newsletter is about end of life. That every gadget has an end of life. And if you go to a special website, endoflife.date, you can punch in whatever you have, and it will tell you when it is going to die.
Is that including us?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Give them time.
Would you want to know?
No, absolutely not.
Would you want to know, Joe?
No.
What if you found out it was an hour and a half from now?
That'd be awful.
Exactly.
That would not be good.
Well, you were the last people I talked to then.
And you got in just in the nick of time,
And
Joseph.
talking about your Nest camera that died, okay?
Right.
Is there anything you want to confess to us? I just want to know.
You only got an hour and a half to live.
Just say it. Just between you and me. That's all. And Andrew. That's all. Don't worry about the 6 other million people who are listening right now.
No problem.
Yeah, the whole system that you have is aging. And so you can go with Amazon, Alexa, and then you get Ring. And then, of course, you have all the cameras that go with that.
Yeah.
And then there's the Apple HomeKit with Ecobee and also Logitech. They all work very nicely. You can stick with Google Nest and thermostats and Protect. But, it is not clear if it's going to have a lot of support, But I can't. Do you see Google getting out of that business?
No, but he's just saying that they're going to stop supporting his model.
Yes.
And you have to understand, too, Joseph, that's all about them pushing you to go and buy all new stuff,
Exactly.
new doorbell, new thermostats, because they want to make more money.
Yes.
Which they're a business. They're supposed to.
And so, but these things have been working since 2012.
That's a long time.
It's a long time. But, I have a 1946 truck that still works.
You paid a little bit more than he did for his Nest thermostat.
Okay, just a little bit.
To be fair.
Just a little bit. Joseph, thank you for your call today. If there's anything you want to confess, just give us a call back. You got like an hour and 32 minutes
Yeah,
left.
clock's ticking, Joseph.